camping, yay! I rode the Zip 3K, which is one of the longest zip lines in the world, and it's the longest zip line in Texas, and one of the longest in the United States. So I'm camping, and it was very, very far away, and it's just very far. And so I'm going to do a video today, and this is another Scan Watch thing. Lunar Cookies 2003 is a non-member, and she claims to be doing, and probably, I think it's a trust, and she claims to be doing a rare short color giveaway. I'm just going to be here, you know, like recording and chilling, whatever.
Okay, she has proof. So, let's see the proof. Okay. So, she does have proof. But that doesn't mean she's gonna give it to us. And by the way,
guys, if you are willing to trade a wood floors for, hopefully this is gonna load. Okay, let's go, what she's saying. But basically, so the first one, I mean not the first one, but if you're willing to trade, Zia's wood floors for Zia's mask, drag me at SpiritBuckle59 please. Here, I559.
sorry, I had to refresh because it was being mean. And we're gonna load. Okay. So, we have 2 trees and levels we're winning. So this unicorn's 31, 24 person's winning. And if she does win, then she doesn't give, if Lunar Cookie 2003 doesn't give Unicorns 3124 the spike that she won, then she's scamming, and if she accepts her trade and whatever. But maybe she was not a scam. And whatever. So I'm just gonna sit here. Guess because it's closer. Okay. So they have pigtails and different. My arm is hurting. Okay. Well, yeah, I'm basically just waiting it out. Oh, so now she's flash trading. Why does she want the spike removed? Come on, guys. Little's winning. I would trade, but at the same time I don't want to. Turn is winning. So I'm assuming they're trust trading and flash trading. Twinkle's winning. Twinkle Sunny Star. So, which is AJ Mammal, or MAMAL 241. Is Fun Girl Loves AJ1. Ow. Okay. Don't play with binder clips in your mouth and then put your finger Oh my god. Okay, so she scammed. Scammed. So Twinkle got scammed. And I'm trying to figure out what. Oh, she's okay. So her pink spike got. Who's pink spike? Who's pink spike? Neon bows and red party hat and a pink spike. Wow. Okay. Well, there you have it. Lunar Cookie 2003 is a scammer. Oh, and a rare fox hat. Okay then, and a black spike. Black and pink one. And rare one. And a bunch of other stuff. And neon bows and black rare spike. So AJMAMAL 241 is the one that got scammed, and then a bunch of other people claim they got scammed.
Okay guys, so I'm here with the person that got scammed, Twinkle Sunstorm. So I said, well, this is the conversation. So I said, you're gonna be okay, I recorded all of it, and I'm telling AJ's creep. And she goes, but that was the only good thing I had, and I said, what was it? And she did the sad emoji, and she sat down, and she said, red fox hat. I read one, and I said, okay, well, she has to give it back. And she said, an astronaut helmet and a Jumanji scarf. So I said, okay. And she did the sad emoji, and I said, 1 second. And she said, okay. And she decided, okay. So that's basically it. And then a bunch of other people claimed that they got scammed. I heard too.